So you are filing
So that is what we all Congress workers went and removed us.
So you are filing a complaint now
What filing for what?
on that they don't see those remove black flags and all.
No, what complaint? We are
No, you are saying.
we are going to go Monday. We are going to take a delegation. We are discussing that, and they will go and file about this thing complaint or ask the people ask the municipality workers and whosoever have given them the order. My Congress flags only have to be removed. They didn't remove our flags from anywhere. They didn't remove any other party's flags. So why only Congress? Are they scared?
परमिशन रिगार्डिंग कुछ था?
We've already given.
But Siddharth Kunkalkar is saying that you have not taken permission.
What?
Well,
Does he
actually,
want
I-
the application which has been forwarded? Which party, if the permission is forwarded, and the BJP, the simple thing is, we wait for the permission. We wait for the permission to be granted. We forward it, and it is taken for granted that it is given. BJP and AAP, so many parties don't ask for also the permission.
No, but is your-
As the casino boards which are put in the media are with permission? Are they with permission?
But was it for one board or was it for all boards permission?
All
that you have-
flags were removed.
All flags.
No.
आणि सिद्धार्थ कुंभलकरचे विचार म्हणता पळय
And he should ask.
घेतलेले आणि
How
परमिशन
many
घेतले
permissions they have taken?
ते 2 लाखाचे त्याने ते 20 लाखाचे त्याने केले पळय टेंडर हा त्याने पिलर घातला पळय ते
हा,
त्याने
त्याचं
परमिशन घेतला
permission
त्याने
आहे. विचारा.
हा लाईटीचे कॅमेराचे ते 10,000 रुपये
Just
कॅमेराचे
because we
10 लाख
follow
रुपये लागला त्याचे
legally.
परमिशन घेतला ते काढून आणि जाते का आणि आम्ही सगळे एका कलेक्टराक दिला आम्ही पोलिसाक दिला आम्ही सीसीपी परमिशन आम्ही अप्लाय केले सकाळी सगळ्या
Congress
सगळ्याकडे
party.
कॉपी आहे.
We are Congress party workers. Congress party never does anything that is beyond the legal framework. Our leader Rahul Gandhi himself says us to follow the constitution. So whatever work we do it under the legal framework only.
आणि बीजेपी फ्लॅग लायता तेन्ना ते बावटे लायता ते परमिशन घेता दाखया मरे तुमी कितले परमिशन
Let
घेता
them
आमकां
do.
सांगता आमी कितले फाटी अप्लाय केला प्रत्येक जागा घालता आमकां केन्ना परमिशन दिनाय
आणि मळ्यान जो भांगराचो टॉयलेट बांधला पळय ताका कितें परमिशन घेतला
कितली परमिशन घेतला कितले भांगर घातला सांग
मळ्यान भांगराचो टॉयलेट बांधला भांगराचो मळ्यान टॉयलेट कोण बांधता
And this casinos also, they are front facing the main road. Is this allowed? Opening of the gates of the casinos to the main road, is this
आमकां
legal?
आमची
Is
रिवर्स
this with
दिसना
permission?
फुटपाथ फुल कवर केला त्यांच्याच बोर्डांनी
आणि
There is Mandovi.
आणि कॅसिनो एला बडा जाल्यार प्रेसिडेंट येता तेन्ना धाकटा कित्याक मागीर ते प्रेसिडेंट
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.